Hello, welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics. Let's look at this question under trigonometry. It came for WASSCE 2024 September edition for Ghanaian. Given that sine A is given a value of 3 on 5, where that angle is between 0 and 90 degrees, which is an acute angle, we have to find the value of tan A minus cos A. So first of all, we need to know what the tan A is and the cos A is. The same angle A. So those angles are going to be in the right angle. So let's say we indicate this as our right angle. So this is the right angle. Let's say this is the angle A. This side is going to be the opposite side, the adjacent and hypotenuse. Sine is so. Opposite is the first one. So 3. H is the hypotenuse is what? 5. So let's put here y. From Pythagoras theorem, we can say that 5 square equals to y square plus what? 3 square. The square of the longest side equals to the sum of the squares of the two shorter sides. So 25 is the 5 square, y square plus what? 9, which is the 3 square. We subtract 9 from both sides. 25 minus 9. And I think 5 from here, 4 from that will give you 16. So we have the root of y square equals to the root of 16, which means y is going to be equals to 4. I know we have both positive and negative, but in this case, we are dealing with the measurement here. So we deal with only what? The positive side. Meaning the top is going to be y. Don't forget tan is what? 2. Cos is what? Ka. Meaning the opposite side, the adjacent side. So our tan A equals to the opposite side, which is going to be 3, divided by the adjacent side, which is going to be 4. Then our cos A will also be the adjacent side, which is the 4, divided by the hypotenuse, which is 5. Meaning our tan A minus cos A becomes 3 on 4 minus 4 on what? 5. This is the subtraction of fraction. Remember our tutorials on butterfly approach of subtraction. We are going to multiply diagonally. So that will give you 15 minus multiply diagonally, which will give you 16. Then multiply at the back. So this becomes 15 minus 16. 4 times 5. That will give you 20. What do we do from here? 15 minus 16 will be negative 1. So I'll be having negative 1 divided by what? 20. And that will be the option A. I'm sure this is a trigonometry. You follow the concept. The main thing is to grab the concept of the topic, which is what we use in this. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.